Krishna always anxious for us to engage in his devotional service and
Yeah.
become upset if we reject his offering?
Yes, because you are foolish. Krishna, God, is coming to you to take you back to home, back to Godhead. If you reject, that is your foolishness. Mūಢā, namāṅ duskidinam mūఢā prapadanti naradham. One who does not surrender to Krishna or God, when you speak of Krishna, it is God, then what class of man he is? That is described in the Bhagavad Gita. Duskritina, mūఢā, naradhama, māyā paritaggyana, asuri, bhavamas. Immediately you come to these categories. What is that? Duskritina. Most sinful. Unless you are most sinful, you cannot reject Krishna's offer. Or unless you are rascal number one, you cannot reject Krishna's offer. Duskritina mūఢā. So as soon as you reject Krishna's offer, that means you are most sinful, you are rascal number one, you are lowest of the mankind, and your knowledge has been taken by māyā. That's all. Thank you very much.